Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a very beautiful place in Himachal Pradesh called as Bhagsu Waterfall.
Bhagsu Waterfall, nestled in the serene village of Bhagsunag near McLeod Ganj in Himachal Pradesh, is a captivating natural wonder that seamlessly blends scenic beauty with spiritual significance. Just 2 kilometers from McLeod Ganj, this waterfall is a must-visit for travelers seeking tranquility and a touch of adventure. Adjacent to the waterfall lies the ancient Bhagsunag temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Steeped in mythology, the temple is believed to have been established by King Bhagsu after a legendary encounter with the snake god, Nagdevata. This sacred site adds a layer of spiritual depth to the natural allure of the waterfall.
Originating from the Dauladar mountain range, Bhagsu Waterfall plunges from a height of approximately 30 feet, creating a mesmerizing spectacle as it flows over rugged rocks. The monsoon season amplifies its beauty, transforming the cascade into a powerful torrent that captivates all who visit. Activities and experiences. Trekking. The trail to Bhagsu Waterfall is a gentle trek, suitable for visitors of all ages. The path offers picturesque views of the surrounding hills and valleys, making the journey as rewarding as the destination. Cafe culture. At the top of the waterfall, Shiva Cafe awaits, offering refreshments and a cozy spot to relax while soaking in the panoramic views. Photography. The waterfall and its surroundings provide ample opportunities for photography enthusiasts to capture the essence of the waterfall. Accessibility. Bhagsu Waterfall is easily accessible by foot from McLeod Ganj. For those preferring a shorter journey, taxis and auto rickshaws are available. Amenities. The area around the waterfall is dotted with small eateries and shops, ensuring visitors have access to refreshments and local crafts. Best time to visit. Ideal months, March to June and September to November, when the weather is pleasant. Monsoon season, July to August sees increased water flow, enhancing the waterfall's beauty, but the trail can be slippery. Winter, December to February can be cold, with potential snowfall making the trek challenging. Tips for visitors. Footwear. Wear sturdy, Non-slip shoes suitable for uneven terrain. Hydration, carry water, especially during warmer months. Safety, be cautious during the monsoon season, as paths can become slippery. Local amenities, several eateries and shops are available near the waterfall for refreshments. Look at this. This is the Bhagsu Waterfall. It is around 30 feet high and the water comes from the Daladar Mountains. The sound of the water is very loud and peaceful at the same time. Many tourists come here to enjoy the view, take photos, and feel the cold mountain water.
I really enjoyed my visiting to Bhagsu Waterfall. If you ever come to Himachal Pradesh, don't forget to visit this place. It is a peaceful, beautiful, and full of nature. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another travel video.